If you're showing up consistently and your book still isn't building your business, the problem may not be your effort. You may be consistently doing the wrong things.
Pour a cup of clarity, sip a spark of insight. Coffee with Karma, your morning feels just right.
In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through 3 quick reality checks, the kind that take less than 10 minutes, so that you can stop guessing and start knowing whether your book marketing is actually doing its job. Wouldn't that be helpful? Hi, my name is Carma Spence, and I work with established experts so that they write the right book and market it using the right methods for their audience, for their business, for their goals, so that their business grows the way they want it to, using the leveraging power of a nonfiction book. If you're watching this video on YouTube, please like this video, comment below, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that YouTube knows that, this is good stuff and we'll push it out to more people like you who want to grow their business using the leveraging power of books. So let's get to these 3 things that you can do. These are reality checks to help you understand whether your book marketing is doing the right things to use your book to grow your business. So the first thing you want to do is identify a single platform where your ideal client already trusts Expert Voices, where they are hanging out, where they are looking for the type of information that you share. For some people, that's LinkedIn. For other people, it's Instagram. For others, it's Facebook. It depends on what information you're sharing and the type of people you're trying to share it with. Where are they hanging out? That's where you need to spend your next 30 days. That's where you need to be focusing your book marketing efforts. Yes, you can include it on other places, but start with that main one first. Number 2, look at the last 5 pieces of content that you've posted and ask this question. Does this build authority or does it just fill a posting schedule? If your content is on a regular basis just fluff, just filling up space, just taking up space on a content calendar, you're wasting your time. At least 50% of your content needs to be authority building. Some say 75%. Promos should be a small portion of that, but honestly, if you're doing the authority building right, those will drive conversions too. So you need to be posting in the right place and you need to be posting the right kind of stuff. I'm not saying you can't post, what you had for dinner. Probably not the best use of your time unless it was a spectacular celebratory dinner. And of course, I'm not saying don't ask fun questions to kind of boost the algorithm. Those are totally okay. You need to be human in your feed too. But if all 5 of your posts were human and not one of them talked about what you do, people aren't going to know what you do. Number 3, Google the problem your book solves and see whose name shows up. Now, Googling today is a little different than Googling 2 weeks ago. You're going to get an AI mention, but if AI is mentioning you, that is golden. If Google AI is mentioning you, then it's very likely that other AI is mentioning you as well, and that is a good thing. And if you need help with that, I have got your back. Just drop Dexter in the comments below, and I will reach out to you with more information about how I can help your book show up better in AI recommendations. But that's not what this tip is about. Whose name is showing up when you Google your solution? If it's not yours, that's your visibility gap. And if you don't know the keywords to use, you've got a deeper problem. And AI can help you find those. There are AI, like for example, there's a software I use called vidIQ. It helps you find the keywords that are trending on YouTube. If that's that is a very decent software. I highly recommend it. Or you can even just ask AI to do the research for you because it will go out to the sites that give keyword research and give you keyword research. But you need to understand what keywords do you need to be using and then use those keywords in your authority posts. So there you go. 3 reality checks to see if your book marketing is working. If these 3 things are broken, nothing else is going to matter. So in my next video, I will be going on a galaxy quest and sharing with you when your book marketing strategy is an episode of Galaxy Quest. I hope you'll tune in. Until then, this is Carma Spence saying ciao for now.
Bloopers!
In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through. Let's try that again.